Hey foodies, don't you just love a really good Trader Joe's haul? I absolutely love them, and today I'm going to go inside and show you a gluten-free Trader Joe's haul using some of the best products that you can find at Trader Joe's that are gluten-free. Most of them are keto-friendly too, so I'm going to take you in and I'm not only going to show you the products that you should get, but I'm going to give you a few ideas based on some of the sipbytego.com recipes that I've made using Trader Joe's products. And one of the reasons I like them is because I am feeding a family over here. I have a toddler who's a little bit picky, but I'm trying to give him some healthy foods. So something like these delicious meatballs made with cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's that's gluten-free is a really good option. And then I love doing stir fries. They have this really great cauliflower stir fry, and it comes in a bag with some vegetables already. You can check out one of my recipes for my cauliflower rice stir fry from Trader Joe's products. And let's see, I absolutely love their pizzas. I know this isn't actually a gluten-free pizza from Trader Joe's. I used regular dough here, Trader Joe's dough, but I also have some pizzas that are made on their cauliflower pizza crust and their broccoli and kale pizza crust. And so here's just a closer look at those meatballs. They're slow cooked meatballs, and instead of using breadcrumbs, which are not keto friendly, I make low carb meatballs using Trader Joe's cauliflower rice. I love their cheeses, like I mentioned. That's one really good way to add flavor and not add carbs. And their dips are so good. You can find something like their garlic hummus or the romesco sauce, which are almonds and roasted red peppers that you saw earlier. And don't miss Trader Joe's dolmas. I have an entire recipe or a video on their Trader Joe's dolmas that you have to check out at sipbytego.com or at the Sip Byte Go YouTube channel. They're stuffed grape leaves with rice or quinoa. Both are gluten-free. I love using things like their nuts. This is a really good gluten-free salad I made using fresh strawberries, some Walla Walla onions, some walnuts. They have so many nuts there. If you're paleo, you're in heaven because Trader Joe's paleo options are off the hook. And beef jerky, this always, my husband absolutely loves it, so we have it in our house. And here's some healthy gluten-free Trader Joe's snacks. And these kale gnocchi are actually also gluten-free. So I always make sure to pick up one of these charcuteries, and I love their Folio's gluten-free wraps. And you gotta try these crisp breads. They're really made with like seeds and all yummy things, but they taste just like crackers, and thank goodness some snacks like their plantain chips are gluten-free. So here are some of the pizzas that I like at Trader Joe's. These gluten-free Trader Joe's pizzas. The broccoli and kale one's particularly good. I mean, it definitely doesn't taste like regular pizza dough. You know that you're eating broccoli, but it's really good for a healthy dinner, especially with all the recipe testing that I do. If I'm making cookies all day and nibbling them, I might want to have something a little lighter for dinner. And oh my gosh, these cauliflower cauliflower crisps snack, that's really actually a tongue twister to say, are so good. This is like my perfect work from home lunch. Some of the romesco dip, the hummus, the crisp bread, the cauliflower crisps. Oh, so good. They make really creamy, delicious hummus. Whew. Doesn't this make you hungry just looking at it? I already had lunch today, but I'm super hungry just recording this for you. All right, so just a few more things before we wrap it up here, but I just wanted to give you a little preview of some delicious gluten-free Trader Joe's products that you could get. I think that there are plenty of things I have at sipbytego.com that will teach you how to use these in recipes that are delicious in your own home. Here are just some other Trader Joe's recipes that I'm cooking up in my kitchen, and you can find here on the Sip Byte Go YouTube channel and at sipbytego.com. I make a lot of stir fries, and I also make meatballs with their delicious cauliflower stir fry rice. It's so good, and I love eating these for work from home snacks. So subscribe to the Sip Byte Go channel on YouTube for more delicious ideas using Trader Joe's products. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!